PMs are planned maintenance programs, keeping your equipment in safe running order to help prolong the life of the equipment and avoid any unnecessary breakdowns.
Before things break, we can find the parts that are starting to break down and replace them.
We have a lengthy checklist that we are going through, so we are looking at every inch of that piece of equipment. Be it a door, we're going through that entire door, and we are documenting anything and everything that we see. Unfortunately, sometimes there's things wrong with equipment, and that's what we are there to do.
A PM is not to be taken lightly. It is crucial that you check these over 100%, because the smallest part that breaks can cost you thousands in repairs in the end.
Communication in the industry has just been a problem all around. Typically, customers don't get much feedback, so we've actually dedicated an entire team to PMRs altogether. We've had several staff members that have gone from on the road to in management positions and different positions within the company, so they have lots of experience with the technical side of things.
We are about trying to promote and trying to teach, educate our clients on their responsibilities. The goal is to keep their equipment running.
From our perspective, it's our way to partner with you. Feeding off of our experience, we'd be your go-to company for any of your door or dock related needs.
You are getting the full package when you hire Wilcox.